Hey, how's it going? This video is going to be a bit different from what you've seen about VPNs. Give me 20 seconds to explain what I mean. I promise I won't waste your time. I've tested over 100 VPN services and put together a 200+ page research doc covering everything about every decent VPN out there. So here's what I'm going to do in this video. Instead of wasting your time explaining stuff you don't care about or that doesn't even matter, just to make this video 15 minutes long, I'll just straight up tell you which ones are the best VPNs for PicPay right now, plus a few things about each that actually matter, so you can just pick one and move on with your day. And for the nerds like me, I'll leave a link in the description where you can grab my full research doc, totally free, and read it all year long. No joke. Alright, let's get to it. Top 3 VPN services for PicPay and why. First up, NordVPN is hands down the best VPN for PicPay. Why? Well, it works flawlessly with PicPay's app and payment system. Pretty important, right? Speed-wise, it's literally one of the fastest I tested. Low latency, no connectivity issues, zero lag during transactions, and fast upload-download speeds to keep your payments smooth. Features? It has the most of any VPN. Kill switch, meshnet, antivirus, leak protection, you name it. It's built to keep your financial data safe. Pricing and support? You get a great price for what it offers, and the support is top-notch. Do they keep logs? Nope, no logs. That's a fact. Encryption? They use the best encryption tech out there, which is essential for securing your PicPay transactions and personal info. Overall, easy to use, fast, reliable, and relatively cheap for what you get. Negatives? Just a 10-device limit. Second best for PicPay is IPVanish. Why? It's a straightforward, no BS VPN built for pure performance and strong privacy. Speed? Incredibly fast with consistently low latency. No dropped connections or hiccups, just smooth, secure payment processing. Features? It has all the essentials. A reliable kill switch and split tunneling, which is great if you want to route only PicPay traffic through the VPN or the other way around. Pricing and support? One of the best values out there. Often cheaper than competitors, but still delivers top-tier performance. Support is quick and helpful. Logs? Nope. They have an independently audited no-logs policy. Encryption? They use AES 256, the best encryption tech available. Negatives? It's based in the US, a Five Eyes country, which makes privacy nerds a bit nervous. Also, their server network is smaller than the other two. Overall, a clean, fast, and secure set-it-and-forget-it VPN. Perfect for secure PicPay payments and great value. Third best is private internet access, PIA. Why? It has a massive server network and the most customization on this list. Great if you want full control over your connection during financial transactions. Speed? Very good. The huge server network means you'll always find a fast, uncrowded server near you to keep PicPay running smoothly. Features? It's packed. Kill switch, great ad blocker, and it's super customizable. Excellent for tailoring your PicPay protection. Pricing and support? Almost always the cheapest premium option here. Support is solid and professional. Logs? No logs. Their no logs policy has even been proven in court. Encryption? Best tech available, and it's customizable too. Negatives? Like IPVanish, it's US-based, and the app isn't as clean as the other two. Overall, reliable, transparent, and powerful. Best if you're on a budget, but still want a massive network and advanced features for safe PicPay use. And that's it. My top 3 picks for PicPay. NordVPN, IPVanish, and private internet access. Honestly, you can't go wrong with any of them. For 99% of you watching, even if you pick based on colors or logos, you'll be just fine, because they all work perfectly for PicPay. Quick recap to end this video. If you're still unsure, go with NordVPN if you want the best overall PicPay VPN, with that premium experience, tons of features, and fast speeds. Go with IPVanish if you want a simple, high-speed, set-it-and-forget-it PicPay VPN with incredible value for the price. Go with PIA if you're on a budget, but still want a VPN for PicPay with a massive server network and tons of advanced features. My job here is done. I gave you the answers so you don't have to waste your time. I've put exclusive discount links for all 3 in the description below, so you can get the best price available. Thanks for your time. Now go pick one and let me know in the comments which one you chose. Have a beautiful day or night. Bye.